How to set up Shopify gift cards 2024 Shopify gift card balances. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we are going to be talking about how you can set up your Shopify gift cards in 2024 in the easiest, most simplest ways possible. And we're going to be talking about it in great depth and great detail. Now, Shopify gift cards are something that you should use because, creating gift cards for your users obviously increases engagement. It increases more likeliness between you and your customers. And obviously, it keeps the customers recurring. The customers keep coming back because they know that, hey, even if we don't have money, we might get some gift cards. So, I'm not necessarily saying that you need gift cards every now and then, but, once a month, twice a month, something like that, you can follow that type of algorithm for yourself because from that, it really helps because a lot of people will want to follow that type of setting. A lot of people would like to follow an algorithm where, you're giving gift cards off for your stores. So if you want to set up Shopify gift cards and get Shopify gift card balances, what you're going to be doing is, first of all, you're going to come to your Shopify store and make sure it's fully set it up. Now, once you're over here, what you're going to want to do is you're basically going to go ahead into your product section, okay? Your product section is the one of the most important sections in this because what you're going to want to do is come to products, and once you come to products over here, you're going to scroll down and go to gift cards. Now, once you go to gift cards, here it says start selling gift cards, add gift card products to sell or create gift cards and send them directly to your customers. So you can either create a gift card or add a gift card product. I'm going to go ahead and create a gift card for myself. And here it brings us to gift card details. So first of all, you get the gift card code. Okay. Now this is a custom code, but you can keep your very own code if you want to. You can even make it quite short. So let's say I'm going to keep it this much, and I'm going to call it trend 28, which is, let's say it's a 28 discount, okay? But obviously, make sure to keep it enough characters so it doesn't cause you issues. And once it does that, there's also the initial value, okay? What is the initial value of the card? So let's say I'm going to go with $28, which should be in my currency around this much. So, that's $28. Now, once we have, created a $28 discount code, here you have expiration date. Countries have different laws for the gift card expiry dates. You do need to check the laws for your country before changing this date. So I'm going to go with the no expiration date. And you can even give this stuff to new customers and create internal notes for yourself if you want to. So once you do that, you are simply going to go ahead and click on save. And once you click on save for yourself, what that will do is it will give you a pretty good, helpful, and general idea of how you're going to work with all of this for yourself, okay? So just to give yourself a very easy way out of this, give yourself a pretty basic way. As you can see in my, you know, in my actual dashboard that you can see in front of you, over here, you get the whole general idea, the whole business that goes down with this. So I have my gift card, Trenol 28, and once I have my gift card, set it up. What I have from there on out is, my current balance, my initial balance, expiry date, recipient, the general stuff. So you are going to want to make sure to keep all of this in, keep an idea of this, keep a good concept of this, because this is what generally helps you. This is what generally gives you a good idea to go with. So that is exactly the general idea that we want to keep our head wrapped around, right? So moving on, once we have talked about that and once we've gotten a basic idea of that, from here, what we are going to do is you can actually start spreading things around in this timeline, leave different timelines for yourself in different ways. You can even, get initial balances for yourself. You can get current balances for yourself. Then you have expiry dates, recipients, and a lot more. You can also copy the code for gift card receipts. And once you copy the code, obviously, let's say I'm going to go to a new page, paste it here, and there's the code. And you can give this out to people telling them that, hey, this is the actual discount code. Please do make sure to use this before, making any sudden transaction for yourself. Because if you let them know that this is the actual gift card and they hear it from you, the actual owner of the store, it gives them more of an easy, a chilled out vibe that, okay, you know the actual host of the website has told us that, okay, this is some legit stuff. So it keeps them at ease. It gives them a good idea of how they're going to want to correspond with this, how they're going to want to work with this. Okay. Now, once you have skipped ahead with this, and once you've gotten your basic idea with this, from there, what you are going to want to be doing is, just start getting money regarding this. Now, whoever uses the actual code or the actual gift card, you're going to start seeing all the analytics down here right under today. So it's going to keep on saying you created this, you created that, you did this, you did that, etc., etc. And it keeps going on and on and on. And that's one of the best parts about this, that it keeps helping you as much as you want to. It keeps giving you a good, bright idea. And while that is happening, you can also go ahead and deactivate your gift card if you want to. Get internal notes, get search customers, then, just deactivate it for yourself. So, pretty basic stuff. So, here you have your gift card. Now, you can also add gift card products, different products that you can buy from gift cards, because a gift card isn't necessarily for every product in the store, These are gift card products, and this is, how much denomination is taken from those products when you're working with their gift cards, all right? So it gives you a pretty strong and pretty general idea of what we're going to do, how we're going to do it, and how we're going to, cope up against it, use things against it, and a whole lot more. So yeah, that's the general idea of how you are going to be setting up Shopify gift cards in 2024 and get the best Shopify gift card balance. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please do let me know down in the comments below, and I will be making a whole lot more of these for you. And also, do make sure to share this video around with your followers and viewers, because that will for sure help me tons and tons off. Okay? But yeah, that's the general idea of all of it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.